How to download GTA San Andreas for PC. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To begin with, tap open a browser that you prefer in your device. Now in here search for GTA San Andreas. Scroll down until you see the official webpage of Rockstar Games that have the rights of your GTA. In your left side, you will see the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. And also you may find latest editions and the previous ones too. To download, firstly click on the Buy Now option, which will redirect you to a new web page. In here you will see the option of Buy Now. Currently it is $59.99. Now to begin with, sign in with your Rockstar credential, that is your email address and your password. Once you are logged in into your Rockstar account, the another process is to head over to the payment department, in which you will have to choose a payment method, then just tap on the continue button. That is how you'll be able to download your GTA San Andreas for your PC. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.